Barricades and hoardings, beyond construction sites. When we think of barricades and hoardings, our minds often conjure images of construction sites and renovation projects. While these temporary barriers are indeed vital for safety and containment in these settings, they also serve a broader purpose. Barricades and hoardings have found their way into the world of marketing, branding, and urban beautification, transcending their utilitarian origins. In the realm of construction, barricades and hoardings act as guardians, protecting passers-by and site workers from potential hazards. They delineate work zones, restrict unauthorized access, and provide a canvas for essential safety information. But these structures have begun to do more than just mark danger. They've become creative platforms. Beyond construction, creative communication. In today's bustling urban landscapes, vacant storefronts or ongoing construction can detract from the overall ambience. That's where creative barricades and hoardings come into play. Rather than being eyesores, they transform into opportunities for community engagement and artistic expression. The art of branding and storytelling. Businesses have realized the potential of these blank canvases. They use them to communicate their brand story, create buzz around upcoming ventures, and build anticipation. By adorning barricades and hoardings with visually appealing graphics, brands turn construction sites into interactive art installations. Pedestrians are no longer mere passers-by, they become captivated audiences. Local flavor and urban revitalization. In some cities, local governments have encouraged this transformation. They see the potential for urban revitalization through creative barricades and hoarding. Artists are commissioned to infuse vibrancy into these spaces, reflecting the essence and history of the neighborhood. Embracing change. As barricades and hoardings evolve from functional necessities to instruments of creativity, it's clear that they have a more profound impact than merely keeping us safe at construction sites. They invite us to embrace change, appreciate the transient beauty of urban life, and celebrate the innovation that can turn even temporary eyesores into engaging urban art. So, the next time you encounter barricades and hoardings in your city, take a moment to appreciate the potential they hold. They're not just barriers, they're storytellers, brand ambassadors, and artists in disguise. Whether you're a business owner, artist, or city planner, consider the possibilities of these often overlooked canvases and how they can contribute to a more vibrant urban landscape. And if you're looking to transform your own barricades or hoardings into something extraordinary, consider partnering with American Graphic Contractors. We specialize in graphic installations that can turn your vision into a stunning reality. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.